Hello, wonderful people. What's going on? Today, I am actually going to show you some perfume review, multiple fragrance reviews from a few houses, Middle Eastern houses, Paris Corner, and also Latafa. Then I think Swiss Arabian. So you can see some collection, but this is basically not their outlet. It's more like a office. So thanks so much to the owner, brother. He let me have take a look at the whole collection, and I took out few fragrances to show you because I cannot review everything in one day. So basically, I'll just show you their collection, what they have in currently. These are basically on most part budget fragrances. You can see you have all the Latafas. This is owner is Nadir Bhai, so he will be actually helping you because they have an online page. I'll leave the links below where you can buy these products. I think these Daras they're selling, they also have their own shop. They're basically doing online, so you can just I think there is a cash on delivery as well as you can pay big cash and they can send you. So they have some Bakur here, okay. They have some oud. Basically, it's a mix of oud and some oriental as well as some modern perfumes and some clones as well. These are all very good budget fragrances. If you see the budget and the prices, it will actually make you happy. You can very affordable perfumes. Okay, yeah. They have Abdullah Maknoon, like for example, they have Najdia by Latafa. Here, actually, I want here's one more. This Versace Rose clone. These are basically people on budget, but more or less, not everything is same quality, but some of them are very good. I'll focus which ones are really good. And then they have some Armaf. They can basically get you any Middle Eastern fragrances. Okay, Queen, Armaf, Evoque, Ajmal. So these are the Mahirs. I reviewed them. They are the first one who bought this in Bangladesh. Beautiful horse set. The cap, very heavy cap. I gave this one Mahir 10 out of 10 and this one 9. Mahir Black. These are very premium products. Comes for very good pricing. Okay, some Armaf Beautifulest line. Then they have Pure Access clones. Okay, and they have Armaf Magnificent for her. Very nice perfume, Charuto. I'll review some of these. I'm just showing the collection. So very soon they will take a premium outlet and then you can obviously go and visit the shop. But on most part, if you see many of the fragrances like these ones, Milestone and the CD Name Intense, the Leighton clone, they just brought these. They have clones of Memo House, Amouage House. This is very good clone of Fahrenheit. These are Barcode. I don't know this one. I don't know what's clone of that. And then the Ministry of Food. I reviewed the whole line. Very good. I bought these from them. The Ombre, the Superior. I'm going to review Superior and the other ones. They have Oh Boy, Pandora. I think they have tobacco, red tobacco clone. I'll review them in time because Nadir Bhai is very friendly and he's letting me review everything. These are whole line, basically all the way from Middle East. So let me show you once more. Here they have some more collection. The ones Oud Kalakas, the Prada L'Homme Intense clone, a lot of them. Very nice presentation. I'll review these soon. Okay, Bentley, Ferrari. They can get you the more premium ones as well if you pre-order Zara. Okay. So yeah, basically just take a look. And they have some other products as well, I think, So, okay. What are those, brother? Cosmetics products, okay. So as you can see, I took out many of the boxes thanks to him. I'm giving him...
that agency of one US brand, it's
called
Radicos.
Okay. So they're going to take bring cosmetics as well. So I'll show you in future. So as you can see, the ones I want to show you is like all these perfumes. I cannot buy all of them. So you will have some idea. Many of you wanted to know. So these are Latafas, and then Ajmal, and then I think Abdul Samad Al Qureshi, and the new previous line. I think I'll start from this side, okay? Thank you so much, brother. I'm enjoying the Middle Eastern style tea as well. So first one I'm going to show you is Shagab by Swiss Arabian. This perfume, I reviewed the Interlude clone. They have one Interlude clone and they have one Lancome Oud Bouquet clone, the golden bottle. But this one right here is the green juice. This is a clone of, I think, Black Excess, okay? Yeah, Paco Rabanne Black Excess, very fruity. But the thing is, you're going to get very good performance from this. Like Middle Eastern perfume, they are always on steroids. So basically, it's a little bit different. It's not exact same. It's a little bit green, leafy, strawberry, and lemon, okay, and pineapple. So you can definitely try it. This one, the price will be up in their website. Next one is the one I really wanted to try. This is called Aviator. This one right now for time being they're out of stock, but they will bring soon. I think next week or so it will be here. This is a clone of Aventus, number I think 100th clone, but this is very good budget perfume. So when I smell it, it's very good, guys. It's very good. I didn't have this much expectation. This has lemon, very nice lemon citrusy opening. It does not have any alcohol blast. For the price, I think this is very good price, 20 something dollars. I think, if you say within $30, I think this is very good. So if you like Aventus and if you want to try budget version, I think this is no less than CD Neem, but CD Neem is going to be a little bit smoky. This is more fruity to my nose. Next is Magic Oud line. I took out, I think, Sandalwood. Okay, yeah, Sandalwood. How is this one? This one's, I think it's line of Magic Oud. Yeah, this is basically a Sandalwood based perfume, but not that creamy. It's more like a lighter variant, and it's very sweet. I think it's going to be unisex style. If you do like Sandalwood note, you can try it. I don't think it's very expensive. All these perfumes on most part are very affordable. So Sandalwood is very good. I really like it. Give it a try. I think if you want to try, you can try from your friends. Okay, next one is a very interesting one. It's called Magic Oud in Kalemat, and this perfume is, as just the name suggests, it's a clone of Kalemat Black. Moment I sprayed it, I knew this is so close, guys. This is so close. I have Kalemat Black. I haven't smelled Kalemat, but this is candied, sweet, kind of like a soapy. This is a perfume you want to wear. It's very wearable, Middle Eastern style perfume. It's very sweet. So amber, sweetness, raisiness, you can really enjoy it. And if you did enjoy Raghba Oud Intense, you can also try it. I think perfume is going to be great with this. Magic Oud, very impressive in Kalemat. Next one, I think this name I forgot. This is Raman, okay, from House of Abdul Samad Al Quraishi. So this is a very nice bottle with the cap, very Middle Eastern. These are very premium bottles, and I smelled it and it smelled very familiar. Brother told me it's similar to Terre d'Hermes, but very good quality. It does not smell cheap. Got this nice orange vibe going on, vetiver, a little bit touch of green like mandarin orange. You can try this one if you are a fan of Terre d'Hermes, but this one is a bit on the higher side of prices, but you get a very nice presentation. Next one, very interesting. I am so happy I'm talking about this for the first time in a channel. I don't think anybody reviewed this. This is Abdul Samad Al Quraishi's Tower
Clock blend.
what is it called?
Clock blend.
Clog blend. Yeah, this one. If you see the packaging, very premium packaging. It's called Clog blend, and this is a 50 ml bottle. It's on the pricier side, I'll tell you, like I think $60 or so. But take a look at the bottle. This is a collectible item. If you like beautiful presentation, check it out. I think some people have it in Bangladesh, but not everybody has it. This is such a beautiful piece of art. Look at that bottle, juice color, very classy. I think it's from Medina, one of the towers that has a clock. What is the tower called, brother?
It's
One of the towers which has it's like a very
just opposite to the Kaaba.
Kaaba, okay, opposite to Kaaba, so they have this towers.
Tower, they say.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it also, if you like Big Ben in London, it looks like that, right? So how does it smell? Bottle is very nice. This one smells very classy, guys. Okay, it's very hard to explain. It has very polished oud, very fruity honey. It's a mix blended. It's very well blended. It's not just one or two notes. You cannot pick it up. But trust me, it's a very nice blend. I think it's going to be good for unisex. Both genders can wear, and for party wear. This is going to be a beast mode performer too. This one in future I will definitely inshallah try to buy and do a full on review. Just out of the respect. Look at that bottle. The best looking bottle in the whole line today. Okay. So that's Tower Clock blend. Okay. Next one here, I think I saw Mohit Bhai reviewed it. Autobiography Oh Boy. This is an interesting one. If you do like citrus, fruits, I pre-sprayed them all in paper. It's very sweet. It's very sweet. It reminds me something. Cannot remember at this current moment, but it reminds me something of a niche perfume. Something maybe from Parfum de Marly. I'm not sure, but it has citrus, very nice lemon, and then some fruity notes. Okay, and it's very not at all like a cheap smelling perfume. Very high blend, high quality blend. Okay, oh boy, but the name is a bit cheesy. But it's a nice sweet perfume. Okay, moving on to next quickly is called Edge. I think Edge is from House of Swiss Arabian. So this perfume basically is nice little bottle here. Once again, green juice, and I think it's for men. This is not unisex. So Edge smells like Very powerhouse sort of. It's kind of like a barber shop, spicy, menthol. If you go to get a haircut or something in the barber shop, saloon, you're gonna get this smell like a mature smell. Okay, so if you do like, I think what's the perfume, Drakkar Noir, it's kind of similar to that. I'm not sure it's a clone, but it's a nice perfume, very well constructed. Okay, next one is called Black Star. These perfumes are thanks to Nadeep Bhai, because if I did not come here, I wouldn't be able to try these. Look at that bottle. Just want to show you presentation game. This is a very heavy bottle. These are presentations. Okay, just take a look. This is heavy glass base. Look at that glass quality. Look at the juice color. Very, very pretty. Nice cap. This is from house of Abdul Samad Al Qureshi, so you get it from this house. Wow. Spicy. Got pepper. Other notes I cannot pick up that much, but I think perhaps it's gonna be a little bit oud in this, but very not that skanky oud. Very, very modern. If you are going to dress up with a suit or going somewhere to a party, I think this is gonna be like a little bit of fruity fresh at the same time. It has some spices and perhaps a little bit of oud in the middle. But amazing fragrance, amazing fragrance. It's fruity. Definitely got fruits and pepper. Very high quality juice. Next one is another perfume I saw a review. This I forgot the name.
Shalimar.
Shalimar Oud. Okay, take a look at that bottle. This is a budget perfume. Okay, and this weighs like if you drop it on someone's foot, it's going to be endured for a very long time. Very heavy bottle. I saw one of my brothers reviewing this. I think he called it Tuscan leather mixes with Tom Ford, perhaps tobacco vanille or something like that. But I'm getting a little bit of Tuscan leather feel, but it's mostly it's a fragrance on its own. It has the oud and a little bit of citrus going on, but it's Middle Eastern style. Very strong at the same time. Unisex perfume. Take a look at the bottle. You can try it. So quickly, we have about 4 left. These are the 2 previous Zara I did not review yet. One is Superior, other one is Y. Okay, so first thing is a clone of Dior Sauvage, this one. Second one is YSL Y. So the Superior one, I think some people reviewed it. Let me smell it on the dry down. It's so good. It's perhaps the best Dior Sauvage alternative until now. I have shown you at least 4 or 5. This is the best quality, hands down. I mean, the designer ones, they're good, but the price and this packaging, you should buy this. This is a blind buy worthy. If you do like Dior Sauvage and you want a better deal, you can buy like 5 bottles of this for 1 Dior Sauvage. That good, blind buy worthy. Next one is called Previous Zara Y. Take a look at the juice color. It's blue. It's literally like you're swimming in a swimming pool, or it's like an ocean. Very fruity. I love these bottles. 80 ml, absolute stunning bottles. Okay, and this one, yeah, YSL Y, but it's not exactly YSL Y. It has its own smell. It has some lychee, tropical fruit, some melon. So you get that kind of oceanic accord, little bit of Dior Sauvage like feel, fresh out of the shower. This is also a gem. These 2 are really, really good. 10 out of 10 for both. And last 2, this one I never reviewed, Supremacy Gold. Okay, this one is said to be from Afnan, but people call this a Tom Ford Wood clone. I'm not getting much of it. It has kind of like a powdery sweetness. It has a syrupy, thick sweetness. It's a very sweet perfume. If you do like sweet fragrances, kind of like not like 1 million, but I don't know. You can definitely get like it has chocolatey, gourmandish sort of feel, but definitely not wood clone. Okay, but it's a different kind of perfume. It's not like just because not a clone, don't think it's a bad fragrance. It's a very good fragrance. Performance, I have to check. The last one is Tribute. Okay, this is from Afnan. Take a look at that bottle. I don't think you will see more unique bottle than this. Okay, this is very beautiful. Looks like a Tom Ford Velvet Orchid bottle, brown orchid color. And this one, it's familiar, yet I cannot tell what clone this is. This is something very familiar to my nose, but it's sweet. It's also very, very good quality. I mean, if you did like Black Star, and this is gonna be like same league. Tribute, very nice bottle. I think these are price range wise. How much, brother?
It's above 3,000.
3,000 taka. Okay, so basically like within $50, much less than that, but good quality fragrances. So thank you so much, Saqib Nadeep Bhai, for your time. Okay, and your hospitality, and I was enjoying the tea and the review. I will go back quickly because today is the closing time and I came very late due to the jam. So let me know which ones you like. I'll put down the names. I'll put down the names and you can check them out. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching and have a very nice evening. See you soon. Good night from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Bye bye.